So welcome back to the channel. I'm Sunny, and this is another episode of Cheat Code Tuesdays. And today we're going to talk about sprucing up your GitHub profile, which I didn't know you could actually do. So let's start the timer and get into this. So if you have a look at your GitHub profile here, you can see you can put a photo, you can add a little description, and then you can have little links to your social media. You can pin repos here on the right, and then you can basically put little widgets that show your activity. Now, if you go to repositories, and if you create a new repo, which is with the same username as your account, you can see here, it highlights that you've got a little secret page here. So if we just add a README file, and then we just go create repository, you'll see that it's got this basic page that has hi there. Now, if I go back to my actual GitHub profile, you can see I've got this hi there page now, which, is basically just a README that you can edit. So I found a whole bunch of other things. If you look here, there's this GitHub profile that I found that actually has a whole bunch of links to other people's GitHub profiles. So, definitely recommend that you check this out. So I'll put links below as well. And then I also found a whole bunch of other things, like you can add badges. So badges, show you the technology that you're using or what you're interested in. And then there's a whole bunch of other badges for other things. And then you've also got other things such as stats and widgets. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, I basically had a little tinker. And it shows, obviously you can see here, you've got social media links and everything. So you can actually spruce up your GitHub profile to have like a little splash page. So when people go to it, you can add links to other things. So I've done basically some work already. So I've created a README already. Now I'm not going to really push code here, but you can see here, there's a predefined profile here that's been commented out. But I've actually gone and already created this. So if I just dump this in here now. So I've already worked on this, obviously. If I just commit this change, you can see here, I've got a whole little profile now. So if you look at this, I've got a whole profile. Looks like I'm missing my background image, which I haven't uploaded. But if you have a look at this, I've now got a little intro, and then I've got all my links to all my social media links, which you can actually look at this README file to see how the links work, because I figured out how you can do it through Markdown, but I'll quickly show you right now. So obviously the standard Markdown for a URL or an image, actually an image, is basically something like this. And then I found out that you can add double brackets, and then you can add the link, and that turns it into a image with a link. So anyways, you can copy sections from here. But if you have a look, we'll just scroll down further. So I found a little GIF somewhere, I've added it. I've added some YouTube links to my latest episodes, which will basically, they're all hyperlinked. And then I talk about the technologies. So I've actually added URLs to everything as well. That was probably a waste of time. Probably didn't need to link to Terraform, but anyways, I have. And then I put, other things like my hobbies, the things I edit in, another video, and then there's some cool GitHub stats. And of course, you can buy me a coffee if you want to show your appreciation to the channel. But yeah, so that's basically something I discovered I didn't know existed. So if you go back to the profile now, yeah, it basically just has all the info and then has all the pinned stuff below it. So that's basically it. I didn't know it was a thing, but it turns out you can spruce up your GitHub profile. Everything that I spoke about in this video, I'll link below. You'll see that some other examples, some people actually run some automated tasks that pull data and actually generate pages and whatever else. Don't forget, you can look at my README as well. Subscribe to the channel, Cheat Code Tuesdays every Tuesday, and I'm signing out. See ya.